Good day. Today, I will show you how you can use the Sign Right Now feature. First, you will need to log in to your PX portal using the same credentials on your practice management software. Once you're logged in, you will click on the appointment of the patient who needs to fill out their form. After clicking the appointment tile, the patient information window will show up. You can go ahead and click on the chain icon to attach a consent form for this patient. A new window will show up where you can select from the drop-down the forms that your patients need to fill out. After selecting the forms, you can now go ahead and click on OK. The second drop-down will now ask you how you want your patient to fill up the form. For this instance, we will be selecting Sign Right Now. Go ahead and click on Submit. The patient will now have the ability to finish his/her attached forms. The patient will then be greeted with a "Thank you" message after filling out the form. At the same time, the form that was filled out by the patients is also uploaded on the imaging module of your practice management software.
And that is it.
That is how the Sign Right Now feature works. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.